Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be modifying my Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. The 2G is here. I haven't taken it out since Elite Tuner not too long ago. And it's fine, it's just super dirty. Alright, so we're gonna be doing the R1 Concepts unboxing today.
I hope it's food.
Food? He just ate food.
And?
Okay, so I see this, which I'm assuming are the brake pads. Cut.
20 years later.
2 hours later.
We have some brake pads. Oh, a nice little keychain.
We get a match now.
Oh, you have one too, huh?
It spins.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, it spins.
That's cool. We have, two of them.
Wow, they only gave me one.
Really?
Yeah.
Keychains. Oh, I think because they were stuck together.
I'm offended.
They're all black. That is cool. So from what Grant from R1 Concepts told me, apparently once the pads make contact with the metal, they end up fading away. So this will turn silver, but this keeps this black to avoid any rust. So they look pretty sick. They are drilled and slotted. So we're gonna be putting this on the Evo. We do have to get the Brembos. Let me show the Brembos real quick. Look how bad the Brembos are fading right here. So they do need a fresh powder coat, and we're also going to be upgrading the brake lines. So to start off, you want to remove the caliper by removing these bolts back here. This bolt here and that bolt there. That holds the caliper in place with the knuckle. If you see this bolt right here, it's a 14. You put a wrench on here, then you go ahead and loosen it. You do want to make sure that you have some sort of bucket here to get all the fluid just in case something drops. These things do come with washers, so when you put everything back, you want to make sure you replace that as well because it could leak from there. Alright, so for the Brembo calipers, you're going to take off this bolt, which is a 19, and this bolt right here, which is also a 19. So I'll take those off. That gets the Brembo caliper off the rotor, and then after that you might have to hit this with a mallet, get this thing out, and then we'll be able to slap on the R1 Concept rotors. There you go. Brembo caliper. Oh, don't hit your fender.
You could hit it.
Ow!
Or your hand. You can hit it from the back too.
Let's see.
I know you like that. Oh god, I'm in the line of fire.
Nice. Now we're gonna teach you how to do the rear. You also have the bolts in the back. Let me check what size. Yep. It's a 17. Let me take it off real quick.
It's loose enough? Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Of course.
Okay.
You still got some life left on your shoes.
I think you meant on my Vans.
Wait, what?
I thought you were talking about my Vans.
What did I say?
On my shoes?
Yeah, I said your shoes have a lot of life left.
Well, be specific, woman.
Man.
Alright, so we have this caliper. So you can tell they're not too bad.
You. Oh!
What? Oh my god, I dropped it on your bowl.
Day 2 day.
Before we take the calipers to get powder coated, I do have to remove the bracket, the pads, the pistons, and the seals, and get a rebuild kit as well. So I ordered that. I went ahead and ordered some new Brembo stickers to put on there. Have I ever taken the pistons out of some calipers? And no, what we learned today, I think so.
I made quite the mess, but it actually was not that hard. First thing you do is you have to hammer out the pins from the front. Once you have those out, you're able to take out this piece, which then lets you take out that piece. From there, I got a little super little screwdriver, got the seals that were right here. These are the pistons right here that you have to take out with an air compressor through here. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and get these pistons out with an air compressor.
Also see one piston's bigger than the other one.
What?
Like the circumference?
Yeah, so I mean, it's gonna be kind of obvious when you put them back together.
Yeah. How much you spend on those nails?
$80.
You gotta make them Halloween themed too and everything.
Yes, I did. Nails by Arlie.
Okay, so it's actually been around like a good month since I last filmed this part of the video, I guess you can say. I couldn't find the seals that basically go inside of the caliper. I guess they're on back order everywhere due to what's going on right now with the ports and the ships and all that stuff. So I was actually able to source them locally. A lot of guys don't know this. This is a way where you can save yourself like 75% of what you would put into some seals, which are around like $150 to around like $40 with getting these at your local just parts store. I got these from O'Reilly's. You're gonna need 2 of each. Here's the part number just in case you're trying to do this. 15309 and 15316. These are the seals that you're gonna need. I went ahead and test fitted them to make sure that they were the right ones. And well, as you guys can see, they fit on there pretty well. So nice little hack in case you're trying to do this. I did go pick up the Brembos from the powder coat. I went with the original OEM red, the Brembo stickers. I am so bad with opening up letters though, because when it came in the mail, I ripped it. And look, I completely like destroyed this thing. So I'm going to try to match it up as perfectly as possible. When you do put stickers, it is highly recommended to use some sort of high temperature clear coat. That way the stickers don't fall off in the long term. We have the super nice drilled and slotted R1 Concept rotors. The brake pads, of course. I'll be linking their stuff down in the description in case you want it for your Evo 8 or 9 or DSM if you're doing the Brembo conversion. I do have the stainless steel lines, the seals, the old pistons. You could get a rebuild kit with the pistons, but I'm just going to use that. And you are going to have to get some grease to lubricate the pistons, the calipers, and the seals. Pistons on the front calipers are extremely hard to get on. I lubricated them as well as I could. I tried to make sure that they weren't kind of crooked and they were going in pretty smoothly, but they're not. The rears are done though. Those are pretty simple and easy to do, as you guys can see. And I'm also gonna have to borrow the wheels back from the VR4 until I get the wheel set up on the Evo. I have been waiting for tires for a very long time. I'll go ahead and do the other side off camera. And then from here we'll roll some cinematics and then we'll see how it looks. I still have to do the other side over there. you guys can kind of see what it's going to look like. I am gonna have to have Marissa come out here and help me bleed the brakes. There is a sequence order that you have to do it in, so make sure you look that up before you do it. And then from there, we should be able to head out to the car show in LA tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video. I'm pretty sure they're gonna give me a discount code for you guys. Just in case they do, I'll put it down in the description as well. So for now, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.